How to buy Bitcoin with Phantom Wallet. So now you can purchase Bitcoin directly using the Phantom Wallet. So first, open the Phantom application and click the buy button. As you can see here, follow these instructions. And after selecting a provider, a pop-up window will appear for you to log in or create an account. So here's also a video tutorial that explains how to buy a Bitcoin, and you can check it out yourself. So once you do that, just follow these and then you like to purchase. So you have specific on how much you'd like to purchase as well. You can also select the Bitcoin token. So it's that simple. Simply just go to the account here. Simply just click the buy button, choose the Bitcoin, tap the price or amount, add your account, and then buy the Bitcoin by adding a payment method. It's that simple. You can just select a provider directly and then a pop-up window will appear to you to log in or create and complete your purchase. So if you encounter any issues, you can reach out to the provider support team, and alternatively, you can also buy Bitcoin from various exchanges and deposit them into your Phantom wallet. So that's how you buy Bitcoin with Phantom wallet.